Hey, I live in a hard water town and I wanted something for my fridge that I could use that was a nice looking pitcher that would also filter the water. So I did receive this one as a gift from Soma so that I could try it out and then tell you all about it. And I want to show you how you set it up, and then there are a couple of really important tips you need to know about. You're going to start by taking the filter out of the package and submerging it flat in a container of water, and you're going to want to let it sit there for 15 minutes. Rinse it off, add it back to the pitcher, add the lid, and fill it up 3 times. You're going to dispose of the first 3 pitchers of water. So let's take a look at the water. Look at that. It's nice and clear. Look how good that looks. I can't stand the taste of our water straight out of the tap, but that is really good. Now, here is the important tip. It's too tall to fit on my largest shelf here, but it works perfectly in the door. And hey, if you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more product reviews of cool products like this, please hit subscribe so you don't miss a thing.